What do you do when all you have is hard, poor soil and a shovel, but you want to grow food? We're going to dig a melon pit. The first thing I want to do is get rid of some of these weeds around here, and for that I have my flame weeder, because gardening should be fun. Fire! There are two things we need for a melon pit. One is a pit, the other is something to throw in it. Yeah, this will be fine. I might get some volunteer peppers. There's some of that in there. Oh, a little botulism. Never hurt anybody. That should be plenty right there. Now I need to go wash my hands. All right, it helps a lot if you have some kind of guts or meat to throw in there. I don't have that, but I do have this sausage and biscuit that's old, and I have this dog food, which is basically meat pellets. So we're just mix that in there. All right, now that we have the stuff to put in the pit, we need to dig the pit. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some sticks, some wood in the bottom. That'll help with the drainage. Now I might notice these are kind of big. They don't really fit. I have a solution for that. There we go. All right, we're gonna make some biochar. I am a professional. And putting this dirt over this will extinguish it and turn it into charcoal. Or if you want to be fancy, you can call it biochar. Now, we're gonna fill it with our delicious. A little more fire. Now you want to cover this about a good foot or so, so we're going to have to mound this up some more. But I need to break some of these clods up first. Why do I like digging in the soil? Well, this is why, because I literally have to chop it. It's like digging fudge. Bean fudge garden. Quick, can you tell what's dirt and what's a rock? Well, it'll do. It'll do. All right, so that's our melon pit. It's not quite as high as I expect it to be, but that's fine. It'll do okay. So now we have 2 melon pits. We're gonna plant these a little later on when the danger of frost is past, and we're gonna update you on the results and just see what happens. You never have enough fire. You cook your vegetables before you pick them, you'll just have a lot of time.